Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning. That's right, folks. We're pitting the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop against the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001. It's going to be a battle of the mops that could make even the messiest of homes look like a Pinterest board. So grab your rubber gloves and let's get steamy. First up, let's talk about the money. The Kenmore is priced at a wallet-friendly $89. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and lightweight design, making it a popular choice for those looking for a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the Shark comes in at $139. While some users feel that the price is justified by its versatile cleaning capabilities, others wonder if it's worth the splurge, especially compared to the Kenmore's value for money. Let's move on to cleaning power. The Kenmore boasts that it can remove 99.9% of dust. Reviewers have found it effective for various surfaces, although some mentioned it might not disinfect as well as they hoped. In contrast, the Shark claims to provide up to 2x better stain removal with its powerful steam and rotating pads. Many users rave about its ability to sanitize and scrub simultaneously, making it a solid choice for tougher stains and messes. Now, let's talk steam modes. The Kenmore gives you 2 levels of steam. Reviewers like its simplicity, although some wish for more options. The Shark, however, has 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep. Users appreciate this flexibility, especially for different cleaning needs. The ability to customize steam levels to match the mess is a feature that many find beneficial in their cleaning routines. Now, let's talk design. The Kenmore has swivel steering, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. Reviewers enjoy this feature, though some have mentioned a short cord as a drawback. The Shark, on the other hand, features headlights for spotting hidden dirt. Users find this particularly helpful, especially in darker corners of their homes, although some have noted that its round pads can be tricky for corner cleaning. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The Kenmore SM2050 is praised for its affordability and lightweight design, perfect for those on a budget. However, it may lack some advanced features and disinfecting power. The Shark S8001, while pricier, offers exceptional cleaning capabilities and versatility, making it a favorite for those who need a more robust cleaning tool. So there you have it, folks. The Kenmore SM2050 is your budget-friendly, versatile cleaning buddy, while the Shark Steam and Scrub is the high-tech powerhouse with all the bells and whistles. It's like choosing between a trusty old friend and a flashy new acquaintance who's great at parties. Ultimately, it comes down to your cleaning needs and your budget. Will you go for the Ninja or the show-off? Let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. And if you enjoyed this showdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and buy smart.